Welcome to a quick summary video that briefly explains the main things you need to know to successfully participate in the McMaster Monitoring My Mobility Study relating to the smartwatch you receive. If you're looking for more in-depth information, please refer to both your study package and the other videos in this series. We have videos explaining both the charging and general guidelines for how to use the watch, as well as how to troubleshoot any issues you might run into. Please note that your study package may also include a second device called an actigraph if you consented to use it in the study. Information about the actigraph is not covered in this video. Separate instructions for the actigraph will be provided. Once again, this video only contains information about the smartwatch. In this study, you'll be using a watch app called Ivy. The app, when running, has a simple display with your participant ID, the current time, and the battery level. See the picture below. Please note that the watch will only look like this when you tap on the screen. Please remember to recharge your watch every night, including the night before you start. It's a good idea to start charging the watch as soon as you receive it so that it's ready to go for the next morning. Before you start wearing the watch, double check that the ID on the watch app matches your participant ID. The ID on your watch can be viewed by tapping on the screen. The ID will be visible at the top of the screen once you tap it. If the ID does not match, please let us know by emailing us at MacM3@McMaster.ca. Wear the watch only during waking hours for 10 consecutive days on your non-dominant wrist. The app is designed so that you do not need to interact with it other than to recharge, so just wear it like a normal watch. Also, try to avoid pressing the top right button on the watch, as it temporarily exits the app. The watch you receive should also have a plastic piece covering this button to help prevent any unwanted presses. It is possible to easily get back into the app. More information on how to do that is provided in our separate troubleshooting video. However, it's easiest to just avoid pressing the button entirely. Finally, please return all study materials to us at the end of your participant duration. If you need any more information, please watch our other videos or email us at MacM3@McMaster.ca.